everyone, welcome back. This is Anthony and today I'm going to give you a basic tutorial on coding. Now let's get into it. Now coding has 4 steps and the first step is purpose the app. Means the app must have a purpose. We must decide the purpose, what it should do. And step 2 is we must design the app. And step 3 is code the app. Step 4 is run the app. Now I am using a website called code.org. You can use any of your own websites. In code.org, if you are using code.org, you can click on the create button and click on the app lab. I recommend you to be signed in to save the save the application you are doing. Now, can I know the steps? Now let's see the steps again. Purpose the app. Now we need to purpose the app. Now I am going to keep the purpose as this is a basic tutorial. I am going to purpose the app as I must have a button, and if I click on the button, the background color should change whatever color I give. Now I have purposed the app. Now I need to do the step 2, and the step 2 is design the app. Now I am going to design the app. So you can see 3 options called code, design and data. Now I'm clicking on the design option, and now we need to design it. So I'm going to take a button from the element from the design toolbox. You can see the heading as design toolbox. So I'm going to take this button and place it on the middle. And now I have placed the button. Now I can change the theme whatever I want by clicking on the theme option and going. Now I'm going to keep it as under the sea. You can keep it as whatever you need, whatever you feel good for your app. So now I have designed the app. Now the third step is code the app. Now we need to code the app. Now click on the code button, and now it will come to the workspace. This is the workspace, and this is the place where you will code. Now I am using Blockly language. This is a language called Blockly language. It's not a language like Java or C++. It's just a type for beginners. Now if you want to type it, you can click on the show text button on your right, and you can do it by typing. But I am going to use the Blockly type. So I am going to click on the UI controls, and in that first block on event. On event is nothing but when. On event is called as when. Example, when this button is clicked. Now you can see if I keep my mouse pointer on the button, you can see the X, Y coordinates, and below that you can see ID button 1. That's the ID of the button, and it's that ID only we will use for the coding. Now on event, when I click button 1, so it's click only, must be in click, and when I click button 1, and you must code the remaining in the space between the on event block. Now what is my purpose is I must change the background color when the button is clicked. So I am going to take a block called set property. You can scroll down and take it. So you can see the block called set property. I am going to take it and place it between the block. Now I can set the property for it. What I want is when I click the button, the background color should change. So you can see the ID is screen 1 of the background background. So I'm going to give the ID as screen 1, and I want the background color only to change. So I'm going to select background color in the second part of the block, and you can select the color in the third part. I'm going to keep it as blue. So now I have coded the app, and what's the fourth step? Run the app. Run the app is nothing but testing the app. You can't give it to Play Store or App Store without checking it if it is working or not. So we must check if it works. And so you can see a mobile simulator on the left. I'm going to use this part to check the app if it is working or not. So you should click the run button. That means run the app. You should click the run button, and now the app will start. You can't go now. If I click the button, the background color should change to blue. Can you see the background color has changed to blue? So this is how you code, and this is just a basic tutorial, and I will give a link in the description to use code.org. And that's it for today, and thanks for watching. If you learned something new today, click that like button. If you want more videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching once again.